Google has just dropped the much-awaited Pixel Watch 2. The success of this watch could totally shift the trajectory of the whole Pixel Watch series. Is it worth buying? What new specs does it bring to the table? How good is it compared to the Pixel 1st Gen? Let's find out what features Google Pixel Watch 2 has to offer. What's different from Pixel Watch 1? Pixel Watch 1st Gen was Google's first ever crack at a smartwatch. The outside of both the watches looks pretty much identical. Google kept the same 41mm size with a curved round screen. You'll even find the same color combinations, black, gold, and silver. But unlike the first Pixel Watch, the Pixel Watch 2 houses an aluminum casing, although the previous stainless steel gives more of a premium touch. The recycled aluminum design has made the Pixel Watch 2 5 grams lighter. Pixel Watch 2 received an upgrade with a quicker and more efficient chipset. Google has replaced the original Pixel Watch, Samsung's Exynos 9110 chipset, with the Qualcomm 5100. Even Marques Brownlee wasn't a huge fan of the 1st Gen Pixel, but since it was the developer's first shot at smartwatches, he held off his judgment till Google released its successor. He's now given his hot take on the Pixel Watch 2 being actually pretty good. Battery life and fast charging. Pixel Watch 2's 306 mAh battery compared to Pixel 1's 294 mAh promises improvements in performance and battery life. The Pixel Watch 2 will go a full 24 hours with the always-on display turned on. The Google Pixel Watch 2 comes with its own proprietary charger. It can't be charged with the 1st Gen Pixel Watch charger. What's in the box? When you unbox the Pixel Watch 2, you'll find the Pixel Watch itself, an extra different-sized strap, a charging puck, and a cable duo. However, the 1st Gen Pixel Watch straps are interchangeable with the Pixel Watch 2. Screen performance and memory. The Google Pixel Watch 2 flaunts a dainty 1.2-inch screen with 450 by 450 pixel resolution and a super bright display of 1000 nits. It's all protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The Qualcomm 5100 chip in the Pixel Watch 2 surpasses the Exynos 9110 of Pixel 1 in the processing power. With a quad-core 1.7 GHz CPU, has made signal transfer more efficient. This will not only speed up tasks, but also reduces heat generation. The new Qualcomm chip even amps up cellular reception. The Pixel Watch 2 also outperforms in giving a smoother user interface and no stutters. Despite these advancements, the 32GB internal storage and 2GB of RAM remain the same. Sensors. The rear side of the Pixel 2 watch features a multi-path optical heart rate sensor to monitor blood oxygen levels, skin temperature, and stress. The equipped electrocardiogram or ECG sensors will detect irregular heart rhythms. Google Pixel Watch 2 also houses a compass, a gyroscope, 3-axis accelerometer, a barometer, and a magnetometer. The Pixel Watch 2 has stepped up its game with new training tools. Automatic workout detection was the one health aspect that the Pixel Watches were missing. It will now be able to initiate and conclude exercises like running, walking, and cycling after a designated workout duration. Fitbit. Fitbit offers a full library of workouts led by expert trainers. It can also optimize fitness routines with the user's daily readiness score. Stress management, sleep profile, and detailed wellness reports are all part of Fitbit Premium. But there's one drawback. Google Pixel only offers 6-month free access to Fitbit Premium. Pixel Watch 2 introduces some new security features like Safety Check, Emergency Sharing, and Safety Signal. The watch will automatically alert your emergency contacts once the timer goes off. Wear OS 4. The Pixel Watch 2 is running on Google's Wear OS 4. The OS 4's 1.2 version of the Jetpack Tiles library has got some new animation features and data bindings. Users can swipe sideways to check steps, weather, or the calendar. The vertical swipe gestures are for notifications and quick settings. With Wear OS 4, you can transfer your watch to a new phone without doing a factory reset. It can even securely back up and restore your data and settings from an old Pixel Watch to a new one. Price. Google has introduced 2 variants of the Google Pixel Watch 2. You've got the Wi-Fi one for $349 and the one with Wi-Fi plus LTE connectivity for $399. If you decide to go for the LTE version, your carrier will charge you around an extra $10 a month to use a cellular connection. So, what are your thoughts on the latest Google Pixel Watch 2? Let us know in the comments below, like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.